y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope you all are blessed, and I certainly hope you're living your best life free. And what do I mean by that? Well, he who the Son sets free is free indeed, and that Son I'm referring to is the Son of the Most High God, Jesus Christ. So y'all, I'm doing another ride with me. It's going to be real simple. I'm going to get some gas first, and then I am going to just allow you to see a little bit of scenery and listen to some music. And yeah, it's not a day in the life, it's just a ride with me this time. So yeah, just getting some gas right now. So and then I'll get on the road. You get to see some scenery and listen to some good music. How about that?
Good. Have a good night.
Hey, hopefully you win something.
What are we getting for you?
Oh, hey, yeah, okay, y'all, I'm not wearing my glasses, and because the sun is glaring into the phone, I don't know how my hair is looking, but the wind is really blowing out there, and so if my hair is looking crazy, that's why. I have to stop and get some gas, and so I'm all filled up here, and I'm gonna get on the road, and you guys will get to enjoy some beautiful scenery. I hope that you are having a restful weekend. It is a 3-day weekend. Not sure when I'm going to be able to get the this video on out, but we're going to get it. Hopefully I'll get it out sometime. But this is the 3-day holiday. This is the 3-day weekend where Monday is the holiday. So you may not get this until next week. I posted some other videos that were my 3-part video. The reason why I did that in 3 parts was so long. That wind blew my barrette out of the back of my hair. So I'm going to pull over and fix this, because once I get on the road, it is going to be a long ways, a little drive. Yeah. So, tried to pin this barrette to the back of my hair here, my weave, and the wind just blew everything out of place. So, not really sure. It'll go back in there, right? Good. Okay. Pull this on back. Now the song just went off. You know that song? Listening to Pandora, and the song says, "Let go and let God." And yeah, that's the word for the day. Let go and let God. I love that. Let go and let God, y'all. So let's get this scenery going on. The music, the scenery. Let's do it, y'all.